2, 3. Hello everyone. Hope you guys had an amazing start to the new year and you all are keeping safe. I'm Shivani.
And I'm Archit, and together we are Do Musafir. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
So, we have recently shifted our base to Belgium and we thought why not start our own YouTube channel to take you all on a joyride with us. So, we would be posting informational content and weekly vlogs for you all. So basically हमें आप सबको घर बैठे बैठे पूरा बेल्जियम घुमाना है and other European nations आगे चलते चलते but as and when the COVID situation becomes better.
That is correct. So, besides making travel content, we'll also give you a lot of information on the job market, the growth opportunities that are present in Belgium as well as other European nations. To begin with, we will focus on our areas of expertise. अब मैं IT sector में job कर रहा हूँ. So I will do research and provide you information on IT related jobs, the market of IT sector, and the opportunities that are present in general in the IT sector.
Similarly, I have a good banking experience and back in India, I was working with an international bank. So here currently I'm on a dependent visa and I'm searching for a job for myself. So मैं आपको information provide करूँगी on the overall process and how to upskill yourself to become a better candidate. But here, यहाँ पे disclaimer है. I would be providing you all this information based on my experience in Belgium.
अब ये सब आपको हमारी आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में देखने को मिलेगा, बट इस वीडियो में हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव था टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू बेल्जियम एज अ कंट्री. टू डू दैट, लेट अस गो टू आवर लैपटॉप. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं विद अ क्विक ओवरव्यू ऑफ यूरोप. यूरोप इज वन ऑफ द 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड हैज 40 प्लस कंट्रीज. A very common classification of countries in Europe that most of us are aware of is the European Union countries and the non-EU countries. To understand more about Europe, we can divide it in 4 parts: North, South, East and West. Belgium is one of the 9 countries of Western Europe. In terms of population, it is the 4th largest after Germany, France and Netherlands. Let us give you some more quick facts about Belgium.
अब बेल्जियम इतनी बड़ी कंट्री नहीं है. Its total geographic area is a little over 30,000 square kilometers. And अगर इसे इंडिया से कंपेयर करें, the size of the whole country is half of one of my most favorite holiday destinations in India, that is the Union Territory of Ladakh, which is somewhere around 60,000 square kilometers. Similarly, Brussels, the capital city of Belgium, which by the way is one of the smallest cities of this country, is only 32 square kilometers, which is around 7 times smaller than Noida, जहाँ से हम दोनों आए हैं. Taking the advantage of the small size, the government has ensured that there is amazing connectivity to all the places by local transport. Over here, you can easily find trams, buses and metros to take you to your destination.
The Kingdom of Belgium has 3 official languages: Dutch, French and German. In terms of language, Belgium can be divided in 4 linguistic areas. The Dutch-speaking area of the north, which you can see in yellow, the French-speaking area in red in south, the German-speaking area in blue in the east, and the bilingual area of Brussels, which is the capital city, which is highlighted separately in the center. अब जहाँ डच प्राइमरी लैंग्वेज है, उस रीजन को हम फ्लेमिश रीजन या फ्लैंडर्स बुलाते हैं. सिमिलरली, फ्रेंच कम्युनिटी का जहाँ डोमिनेंस है, उस रीजन को हम वलोनिया रीजन बुलाते हैं, विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द साउथ ऑफ बेल्जियम. German is spoken by about 1% of population, which is primarily concentrated in the east of Belgium. अब ये जो different languages का dominance है, it is also because of Belgium's presence or Belgium's nearness to these 3 different countries, which is Netherlands in the north, which is a primarily Dutch-speaking nation, France in the south, which is a primarily French-speaking nation, and Germany in the east, which is primarily a German-speaking nation.
Now if we talk about Brussels, since it is a bilingual area, people here are fluent in either Dutch or French. Over and above, based on our limited interaction, some of the people can understand and communicate in English as well. So for expats like us, while learning of either French or Dutch comes in handy, but यहाँ पे टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में भी कम्युनिकेट करते हैं लोग. एंड ऑल्सो गूगल ट्रांसलेटर ऐप always comes in handy. But if you are searching for a job just like me, I would highly recommend that you start learning either French or Dutch, because यहाँ पे कुछ jobs में mandatory होता है of either knowing Dutch or French.
And वैसे भी guys, if you are planning to come to Belgium, it will always help you to know another language. And if you go out in Europe, learning of a new language will be of an added advantage to you guys. While this beautiful country has many other amazing facts to offer, इस वीडियो में we will just share one more fact with you, and बाकी हम आपको धीरे धीरे हमारे आने वाली वीडियोस में साथ में एक्सपीरियंस करवाएंगे. यहाँ के लोग are crazy about beer, waffles, fries and chocolate. There are over 3,000 different types of beer in Belgium. And जहाँ तक बाकी तीनों चीज़ों की बात है, वो हमने अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
So हमें यहाँ पे आए हुए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है. I think we landed on 2nd of December last year, and practically it's just been over a month. But we have started to go out to explore the different beautiful attractions that the city has to offer, and there's a lot of that in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned. So अभी recently हम Grand Place, also known as Groot Market, गए थे, which is the central square of Brussels. The square is always filled with tourists and spectators, and this is one of the most famous places in Brussels. It was beautifully decorated and looked picturesque. ये जो आप अभी साउंड एंड लाइट शो देख रहे हैं वो न्यू ईयर्स ईव का है. The whole atmosphere was amazing, and trust me, it was a wonderful experience. But I have to tell you one thing. Since the day we landed, we have just been searching for houses.
अभी आप जो फोटोज देख रहे हो, these are some of the many houses that we have looked at while searching for an apartment for ourselves. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारी डिफरेंट चीज़ें हैं जिनका आपको ख्याल रखना होता है while searching for a house or an apartment. And यहाँ का प्रोसेस भी काफ़ी डिफरेंट है than what we have back in India. While इंडिया में एक फ़ोन कॉल घुमाने पे एजेंट्स आपको सेम डे या नेक्स्ट डे घर दिखा सकते हैं, एंड दैट टू मल्टीपल हाउसेस. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा सिस्टम नहीं है. यहाँ हर चीज़ का एक वेल डिफाइंड प्रोसेस है, एंड पीपल अबाइड बाय दैट. इस पूरे प्रोसेस के बारे में हम आपको ढंग से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. एक बार हम सेटल हो जाएं, फिर वील मेक अ हाउस टूर वीडियो जिसमें हम आपको सारी कॉस्ट बताएंगे of our house and the entire process of finding a house in Belgium. But we have to tell you that after a month of struggle, we've finally been able to find an apartment, and this video that you are watching, we are shooting from our own apartment.
Hurrah!
This was it actually for our first video, but before going, एक छोटी सी information और हम आपको देना चाहेंगे. ये वीडियो तो थर्सडे को आई है, but from next week onwards, we plan to meet you all on every Wednesday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Indian time. Wednesday को we plan to share an informational video, and Saturday को we plan a weekly vlog to be shared with all of you. Before going, I would also request you to follow us on Instagram if you want to know more about our weekly or daily activity. More details of it is in the description box below.
If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. This is our first video, and it would mean a lot to us to get your love and support. Please do subscribe to our channel. It will keep us motivated to make more such valuable content for you. Also, please comment in the comment section below if you want to know about any specific topic, or in general if you want to know more about us. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.
Bye everybody.
ऑन तो गया नहीं.
ऑन नहीं क्या? मैं देखा. Legend हो तुम, legend. Hey everyone, hope you all are keeping safe and you have had an amazing start to the new year. I am Shivani.
And I'm Archit. and together we are Do Musafir. Welcome to our channel.